Yo, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having an amazing Tuesday. Started off our week winning yesterday, so let's hope today is even better. Let's go. Welcome. Good morning, guys. How is everyone doing today? Let's bump up the likes. Let's bump up the views. Let's grow this new TikTok account. We are on the road to 10,000 followers, guys, on my new account. So let's run it up. Let's run it up, boys. Inducement will give a nice reaction. You think so? It could give a nice reaction. You know, I'm actually also monitoring this zone. Love me, na, 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 na. It's not a bad zone, guys. It is not a bad zone. Let me tell you that. Oops. Let me tell you that right now. It is not a bad zone, the inducement zone. It is not a bad zone. I would like to place a trade to take out this low over here. Okay, the moment this low over here gets taken out, then all setups will be pretty much invalidated for me. Alright, boys, so this is the plan. This is what we're looking at as of right now. Let me just share it over to the group. Yo. Love me. Welcome everyone. How is everyone doing? Good morning, guys. Make sure you all subscribe. Everyone on YouTube, go join my TikTok. Everyone on YouTube, go join my TikTok, guys. As you know, I'm live daily for free for everyone. So let's see. I don't dislike this zone, guys. I don't dislike the monitor sell zone, really. So let's see, guys. How can someone... I'm trying to withdraw some crypto from a place, and they are asking for proof of ownership of a crypto wallet. Like, how am I gonna prove the ownership of a fucking crypto wallet if the whole point of a crypto wallet is that there is no human owner behind it? That's the whole point of a crypto wallet. Like, it's a sunny morning in Cape Town. Amazing. Is it winter now in Cape Town? Wait, guys, let me just do a screen recording here of this. This is bullshit, guys. This is fucking bullshit, guys. How can I check my name on an exchange? How can I change my name on an exchange? Well, it's fine. How is everyone doing this beautiful morning? Let me know how everyone is doing this beautiful morning. Do I have a buy zone? Not as of right now. To be honest, guys, what I would like to do is trade all the way to take out this low over here. That's what I would like to do. So this is a bit what we are planning, what we're looking at as of right now. Ideally trading our way to this low over here. Very well, and you, I'm doing amazing as well, guys. I am doing amazing as well. I cannot complain, guys. I cannot complain. I'm just gonna be looking at my phone now for a minute because I wanna sort this out. Brother, how the fuck can I find my name in an exchange? Like, let's go. Welcome everyone. Come on, let's see gold gets to the monitor sell zone. I don't dislike it, guys. To be honest, I do not dislike it. I believe we can see some reaction over here. So let me just do this very quickly. Let's go. Good morning. Yo, thank you for the follow. Glory, Victor. Appreciate you, brother. Come on, let's see gold. Let's see gold. I would like to trade all the way until this low over here. All right, this is recorded. Boom, sending this. All right, good morning, guys. Hello, hello. Let's see gold. Very well, you guys are doing very well. I'm doing very well too. I'm doing very well too. Just one goal to get to our zone, give us a good trade, and then I will be very, very good. Not just good, but very good. I'm also monitoring this area over here for a potential TR2. If price gets very close to this low, doesn't take it out, we could be looking at this area for potential TR2s. Alice, can we see the sell zone where it is? I mean, isn't it clear enough based on what's on the screen? Don't you think it's clear enough? Let's go. Welcome everyone. Yo guys, we need to bring up the views here. Just monitor. Not an area I'm gonna do anything at, but let's see if price wants to hold this zone. Let's see if price wants to hold this zone, hopefully, and then get to our zone above. That would be ideal, guys. And let's see. And let's see, boys. Good morning. I am in Bice 88. Nice. Where are you guys watching from? Where's everyone watching from? Let me know where you guys tuning in from. While we wait on gold. England, nice. Welcome. It's been a long time I don't go to the UK. It's been a very long time. I should go to the London Stock Exchange. You know, we're always trading London session here. Should go to the London Stock Exchange to say what's up. South Wales, nice. Welcome everyone. By the way, guys, everyone on YouTube, I'm also streaming on TikTok right now. Let's get to 10,000 followers, guys, on TikTok. Should be easy for you guys. Getting to 10,000 followers should be easy, guys. Montenegro, nice. A lot of members recently from Montenegro joining community. It's cool to see, guys. It is cool to see. Do you know A.B. Marshall? No, I've heard of him because of you guys, but I have no idea. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Es de originario de España? Yes, I am from Spain originally. Actually, right now I'm in Spain. And guys, I'm here debating with myself what's the next move for me while I wait for the apartment to be done, which will be done in about 30 days from now, guys. It literally breaks all of my schedules, breaks everything, guys. Fucks up everything. I was expecting it to be done by now, and guess what? It hasn't even started the renovation. Don't even know if I got the permits approved. Let me check this. Come on, we need some good news, guys. We need some good news. I need the permits to be approved so they can start the renovation. Let's go, yo, thank you for the follow, Natty. Will you sell your apartment after renovations? What I will do is once I renovate it, because it's gonna be a sick renovation, one of the best apartments in my building for sure. So what I'm gonna do is immediately I'm gonna put it in the market at a crazy price. I paid 4 million for it. I will put 4 million with renovation will be 4.3. I will put it for like 5.2. And if someone wants to come take it, then take it. But I'm gonna, like, obviously I'm gonna put it at a price where it's not gonna be sold easily. You know, so this way I can stay longer there. Rent or sale, I will put it for sale in the market. Guys, I don't need the cash flow of an apartment, you know, it gives very little. This is my third apartment and it gives nothing, guys. Like, apartments really are only worth it if you have an insane amount of money you don't know where to put it at, and then you just buy apartments cash just to store value somewhere that's not digital. Or if you have access to financing, like if you can leverage bank money, because then you can buy apartments, you can rent them out and pay the loan with the cash flow generated from renting it out. So ultimately you're putting very little money down and essentially the investment gets paid off itself. In that case, it makes sense. Me, in my case, I do not have access to financing in the UAE. Therefore, I have to buy everything cash. And a bit my thought processing for the apartment was, okay, it's the Middle East tension. There's been a small correction in the market. I'm gonna buy an apartment because really I don't pay property tax. I don't pay absolutely anything, which means, yeah, I can just pretty much just live for free. Plus then the unit itself will appreciate. So I will be living while making money on it. As there is no property tax, there is none of this stuff. So just remember that apartments can come with problems if you have tenants from hell. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I live in Spain. You know, if there is somewhere in the world where that's a big problem, it's Spain. In Spain, guys, you can move into an apartment, decide not to pay, say you don't have anywhere else to go, and until the legal proceedings don't finish, you might stay, or you might have a tenant that's not paying in your apartment for 2-3 years. Because justice is slow in Spain. I'm renting out, but if they break a washing machine, all profit's gone. Exactly. Like for me, there's other investments that can give you cash flow. I mean, just think about a savings account. There's right now in the UAE, there's a bank that's giving up to 6.5% on savings account. 6.5% on a savings account, which is purely liquid money, which you don't do anything. I mean, a 6.5% is crazy return for a savings account on a currency that's pegged to the dollar. This I'm talking in dirhams, in United Arab dirhams, which is pegged to the dollar. I mean, essentially you are holding dollars and getting a 6.5% on savings, on our cash account, on a money account. That's crazy. I had one that didn't pay for 2 years. Not worth it, I agree. I mean, we live in Spain. Me, as a person that lives in Spain, I'm very aware of this. In Spain, we call it ocupación. It's fucked up, guys. Try that in Kenya, you will find your stuff outside. Yeah, I mean, as it should be. In Spain, what people are doing now is you hire companies that what they do, because the property is still yours. So you cannot enter into... Sorry, the property is yours, but as that person is claiming they do not have a place to stay, and in the Spanish law, every Spaniard must have access to a living, like to una vivienda digna. Even though the property is yours, you cannot access the property because there's another person occupying it that needs to have a place to stay, if that makes sense. But what people are doing in Spain is you hire a company that set up a control in front of the door. So they do not enter, but they stay in the door non-stop because the property is still yours. Therefore, you can hire security to stay in front of the door. It's like a private security company that stays in front of the door. And when people leave the property to go buy food or whatever, then those guys won't let them in. It's like a gray area in the law in Spain. And yeah, that's how people are managing in most cases to get rid of these people that don't pay. But again, you're gonna pay this company, let's say 3K, and it's not guaranteed, you know? So with a 6.5% account, if you have 100K, you get 6.5 liquid on top of that every month. Look, if you get 6.5% every month, if you got 6.5% every month, just with that 100K in 10 years, you would be a billionaire for sure. Let's see how much you would be worth. It's yearly, it's calculated yearly. No, this is not correct. This cannot be right. Compound times per year that interest will be compounded. No, this is not right. This is not right. Well, it's the same as doing 6.5 times 12, 78. You would be worth 31 million after 10 years with just a 100K, only one investment. If it gave 6.5% every single month, but now it's yearly. It's yearly, obviously. But still, okay, 6.5% over on 100K over yearly, over let's say 50 years, you're gonna have 15 million. Well, no, actually much less. But still, you're gonna have a good amount. You're gonna have 2 million with 100K in 50 years. Nah, guys, not worth it, not worth it. Bro, UAE got where it is by two pillars. Number one was absolute security. Number two was no taxes. There is much more to the UAE than security and taxes. Obviously, that's the most attractive thing for most of us. But when you enter other leagues, UAE has much more benefits. I mean, all of the CEOs, all of the companies are moving to UAE, independently of the corporate tax. Look at Revolut, a lot of the biggest tech companies that are not in Silicon Valley are moving to UAE. But it's all a structure, you know. UAE is not a place to hold your money. You hold your money in trust. You hold your money offshore. You hold your money in Singapore. UAE is a place for business, for travel. It's like a business hub, pretty much. Yeah, I mean, you should do to calculate the annual from monthly. I mean, yeah, if it's 6.5 monthly compounded, yeah, of course. I mean, it would be insane, guys. You would be a billionaire. Of course, you would be a billionaire. It would be insane. Let me ask ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT will tell me, watch out, this looks like unrealistic returns. No. You will see, because I ask a lot of stuff to ChatGPT. Oh, welcome, guys. Yo, thank you to everyone following on TikTok, guys. I'm on the road to 10,000 followers. Is Panama a good place to keep your money? I do not know. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor, therefore don't ask me. I don't want to give any wrong information. I know Panama a few years ago, well, maybe like 20 years ago, there was a massive leak where everyone that was setting up companies, where everyone that was setting up shell companies in Panama or hiding money or whatever, everyone got leaked, therefore Yeah, it's 191 million in 10 years. I just calculated. Imagine. But now guys, me what I'm doing is 50k in the S&P. This is my view right now. This is what I'm aiming for. $50,000 monthly I put into the S&P. Let's see how much I'm gonna be worth. So for now, I started the other day, I put 100. Well, let's be correct. I put $144,000. It's in 30 years. Look guys, if I do not change anything, this is how much I will be worth just with my S&P 500 investment. 100 million, 30 years. And let's see by year 20. 35 million, not bad guys, not bad, not bad. 20 years fly by. 20 years fly by. Yeah, price at the monitor zone, man, it's too risky for me to sell here, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just too risky for me to sell here. I believe price is gonna come look for this low over here. I believe price is gonna come look for this low over here. So me, what I would like to do is trade my way to this low over here. What I would like to do is trade my way to this low over here. You know that there will be 3 Black Fridays by then? Guys. ...2008. No, this is COVID. COVID correction. Right here. COVID correction. Look what did after. This is one Black Friday, 2008. Must be here. Some correction. Look at the end result. I mean, if there is a Black Swan or a Black Friday, or name it however you want, I will be ready with liquid to buy like crazy. I see a 20% drop in price right now. I would put $500,000 straight away. Reason I'm not investing much more at once is because it's literally at all-time highs, you know. I don't want to be the retard that goes all in at all-time high. Where am I buying the S&P 500? I'm buying it from Interactive Brokers. As there is no management fees, there is no fees on holding. The fees to buy are very cheap. The Forex fees are also very cheap. And they have the CSPX, which has the domicile in Ireland. Which is good because this way I don't have to explain anything to the US. Because I don't have to explain anything to the US because I'm not a resident in the US. But either ways, I believe if you buy the other, which is ISPX, is it the one from, that's in the US? So yeah, but if I see a drop, let's say a 20% drop, guys, I am buying I am putting my life on it. I would sell my apartment quickly, put it into the S&P. Put it into the S&P. Oh guys, and I am yet to open spots to join community. Let's see, price is holding this zone. Man, I wasn't expecting price to hold for shit here. Still, like my idea, guys, for now, my idea is to trade gold to this low over here, okay? So this is the plan. I want to trade gold all the way until this low over here, so I need to find a good entry to do so. Obviously. Look at price holding the zone, boys. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Am I a scalper? Am I a scalper, guys? You tell me. Would I be classed as a scalper? I don't do scalping sessions where I will place 50 different trades in a session. But my trades, like for me, I try to make money on the initial reaction to the zone. So on the first reaction, that usually takes a few minutes, that's where I will most likely have my first TP, take partials, and then hold a runner. So that first phase of my trade, it really is a scalping phase, because usually it takes few minutes. Usually it takes few minutes, but then sometimes I will hold a trade for 1 month. You know, then I'm not that much of a scalper. Then I'm not that much of a scalper. I'm a sniper, yes sir. Who's my broker? So I am right now trading with VT and Star Trader. That is what we are dealing with right now. Yo, why is this not working, guys? Okay, it did get sent out, but for some reason it's like not loading on my phone, guys. I need to bounce. I need to bounce from Spain. Let me know where should I go, guys. Do I have swap course? Yes, I do. Guys, the swap free account is just a trap for you. I mean, if you're Muslim, okay. If you're Muslim, okay, but if not, do not use a swap free account because they're gonna charge you admin fees, guys. Like, nobody's here giving away money, guys. Can I use them from the UK? Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes, you can. Guys, I need to bounce. Okay, let me know where can I go, guys. I'm just gonna go somewhere by myself and grind. So finally my apartment renovation, guys. Tell me if this is a good price. Okay, let's be real. $85K for the renovation of my apartment. Let me know. What do you guys think? Let me see if I can show you. I would like to show you. I wanted to show you the budget. Spin the globe, put your finger on it and go there. Let's see, we're gonna see. Select a random country. Guys, look, if we got to 1 million likes, I press here and I go to whatever country it tells me. Unless it's like a very unsafe country, you know, if it tells me Afghanistan, I'm not gonna go to Afghanistan. If we get to 1 million likes on TikTok, there we go, let's see what country Look at me. Libya, you see? I'm not gonna be going to Libya, guys. It has to be a place in peace. Italy, you see? Italy is a good option. Would have to be come on, gold. Just trying to figure out why the requests do not appear here. Slovenia is really pretty nature, is it? Never been to Slovenia. I've traveled very little, guys, to be honest. I just like to work. Ireland. Go drink some Guinness. Oh, guys, my phone is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, guys. Like, you can go crazy. It's 3G, guys, not even 5G, 3G. Go buy a castle in Scotland. You know, I would like to go play golf at the Trump course. Turnsbury? Is it called Turnsbury? Something like that? In Scotland? Crazy golf course. Beautiful golf course. I was watching yesterday a video on the course. Okay, it connected. It connected, boys. So yeah, I'm gonna be opening 3 spots to join community in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Well, 7 minutes from now. In 7 minutes from now, my DM is gonna go crazy. Yo, appreciate everyone following. Looks like you can give gifts now, right, guys? Can someone try and give a gift? I think it now should be enabled. It's been a few days, it just didn't allow to send gifts. Let me check on my end, because I cannot auto give gifts. Like just 1 rose or whatever, guys. It's not like I care. It's not like I do anything. You know what I do with the gifts? I will see some of this biggest brain rot. Ah yes, you can give gifts, nice. So the gifts are back, nice. Well, what I do with the gifts is I will go to one of these crazy brain rot TikToks, and I will just donate them, you know. It's like the other day it was one that if I gave them I don't know what, like one of these gifts, they did 20 squats. With the amount of gifts I gave though, it was super brain rot. With the amount of gifts I gave them, they must have been like at least 3 hours doing 20 squats. That's what I do with the gifts you give me, guys. That's what I do with my gifts. TikTok takes 60% of the give money. Like, to be honest, guys, I don't know, so. Fucking diabolical of you. What do you mean? I gave the guy money and I made him do exercise. I gave the guy money and I made him do exercise. Like, how is that diabolical? That's the complete opposite. That's the biggest blessing ever. And I remember a few years back when I was also super active on TikTok with my old account, with the big account, before it got banned as well. There was always this, I don't know, somewhere in Asia, most likely like Indonesian guys or something like that. And as well, he would do push-ups. I got that guy, at least that guy has made 1,000 push-ups thanks to me, or 2,000 or 3,000. Alright guys, I'm gonna be opening spots in about 3 minutes. So be ready, boys. Be ready, because my DM gonna go crazy, guys. What is my strategy? STS, the snipe trading strategy. I am not in a trade, no. I had this monitor zone, which look, finally price gave an amazing reaction, but did not trust it enough because I have my idea for now is price taking out this low over here. I want to trade all the way to this low over here. So that's the plan. Let's see what we have going on. This is not updating, guys. Well, it will update soon, hopefully. Yo, thank you everyone for the follows. Guys, we are on the road to 10,000 followers on TikTok, on my new TikTok account. So let's run it up, guys. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. And guys, everyone from TikTok, make sure you also go join, sorry, everyone from YouTube, make sure you go join my TikTok, guys. There is less delay on TikTok. Less delay on TikTok, boys. Come on, come on. And guys, another question I have for you. This is just personal stuff right now. So what do you think about my office in my new apartment? It's gonna be sick, crazy office, but should I do the office? Well, no, actually I'm not even gonna ask this because it's not even a question. But I was thinking, should I do the office looking? So my background is Dubai skyline, or I have Dubai skyline in front of me. But I already know the answer. I'm gonna do Dubai skyline in front of me. So while I work, I will have the whole view. Very selfish of me, guys. But because the thing is, if not, I'm always working, looking towards a wall, you know? I wanna work towards, looking towards the city. And yeah, I also don't want to be like all of these other TikTok traders with Dubai skyline or whatever, you know? You should throw a party there and invite us all. I will do a, how did they call it? House shower? I called it house shower. A friend of mine called it some way the other day. Yeah, I will do something for sure. Do not worry. House warming? Yeah, something like that. Or house shower or something like that. What are you talking about? House shower. You're crazy, brother. You're crazy, brother. You see, this is the reason why I did not enter this Bison. Alright, guys, let me open spots to join community. My DM is about to go crazy. My DM is about to go crazy, boys. Welcome everyone. Yo guys, thank you very much for the follows. As I said, if we get to 1 million likes on TikTok, I will go here and I will pick a country and go there. Mexico. Look, if I went to Mexico, I would make my sister now is living in Mexico and she works corporate job. I would make her the happiest person ever if I went to Mexico. The happiest person ever. A million likes ain't happening. I mean, it could easily happen. What is 1 million divided by 200 viewers? Everyone would have to give 5,000 likes, and we would get to 1 million. So yeah, still some work to do, boys. And guys, I'm opening spots right now. Right now. Boom. I've seen so many horror stories about Mexico that it's not very appealing. I mean, it depends. It depends where in Mexico you are, of course. My sister, she works in a lawyer firm, and very big lawyer firm in Spain. And what they do is every year they will send few people, like they will exchange people, or they will exchange lawyers with other law firms from around the world for like 6 months. And my sister went to Mexico for 6 months. Then she came back and she fell in love with being in Mexico. So now she asked both law firms if she could stay longer. So she actually stayed longer, and now she's still in Mexico. Now she is still in Mexico. That's how much she loved it. And guys, spots have been opened to join community. My DM is about to go crazy, so yeah, send me a DM right now. And let's get you inside the team, boys. Yo, thank you for the follows. Thank you for the follows. Yeah, you can access VIP group for free. Just send me a DM. Just send me a DM and let's see gold. Come on, do not take the low gold. Do not take the low, guys. I don't want gold to take out this low without us. I want price to tap into a zone and then trade all the way to take out this low. That's the idea. That's the idea. That's the idea, boys. If it goes under that red arrow, what happens? We will cry. We will all cry together. well, no, if it goes under the red arrow, then I will have to reassess, reevaluate, replan, and that's it. That's what we're gonna have to do. That's what we're gonna have to do. I'm unable to send you a DM to add me to the VIP. I mean, guys, I block a lot of people. Those of you that waste my time on DMs, you guys get blocked. So most likely if you can send me messages, it's because I blocked you. So yeah, next time, just don't waste my time trying weird stuff or whatever. Simple as it gets. And let's see, gold, come on, gold. What about the point of control? Where is the point of control at today? That's right there. You know, I block a lot of people, guys, in my DM. I just, you know, I don't mind. It's not like I need people signing up. Like, I don't care, you know, if you sign up or if you don't. But if I see you are not a good candidate for the community, you guys just get blocked. I think I've been blocked by you because I am fairly new here. Then just send me a DM. You should be able to send me a DM then. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I see now this should be... I want this to be the inducement. Please be the inducement zone. And gold, do not hold it. Please be the inducement and do not hold it, gold. Come on. Point of control, what I call point of control is just an indicator. The session volume profile, you get the volume profile on specific session, and that gives you a point of control, which is where most orders or most volume is resting at. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. I really hope price disrespects this inducement zone. Come on. Yo, thank you for the follow. Taking forever. Pff, not really. It's fine, guys. I mean, price is coming close. Man, there is this inducement zone, which I don't dislike it either, guys. Also gonna be a monitor sell zone. Because I do not dislike this lower zone, guys. I do not dislike this lower zone. I actually do not dislike this lower zone. But these lower zones are on monitor. I do not dislike it, guys. I do not dislike it. So let's see. So let's see. I do not dislike it, guys. Yeah, we need to get to 10,000 followers on TikTok. It's not that hard, guys. Look, if I enter on this lower zone, it will be an entry and instant protect. Let's see, boys. Yo, welcome everyone. I don't fully dislike this monitor zone, guys, the lower one. Like, actually. Well, let's see, it's, as I said, it's a monitor zone, so yeah, let's be patient, guys. In the meantime, make sure you all follow, like the live. Join the link in bio, boys, and let's see. Let's see. Price is coming close. So yeah, price is coming real close. Which one did you make more money, marketing or trading? Depends on the month. I mean, if it's just my community or trading, then just trading alone. But I also run many other trading groups. I work with a lot of influencers, do a bunch of stuff related. Therefore, I obviously, if I add up everything from everyone, that has made me more money than trading, for sure. But really, at the end of the day, it really comes down to the month itself. There's months I will make 200k from trading. Well, actually only 1 month I made 200k in my life. Obviously, that month I make much more from trading than from anything else. Then there's boring months, like trading boring months, which obviously that month I make more with other business. But this is the beauty of running other stuff and not depending just of trading. me remove my chewing gum. So what are we looking for right now? It looks like it's just ranging. I'm looking at this sell zone over here, guys, right now. This is what my eyes are focused on right now. And it's a monitor zone, remember, so be patient with it. Because price is coming real close. Welcome everyone. Yo, make sure you all follow, guys, and like the live. Let's get 20,000 likes, nice and easy. Nice and fast. What is 20,000 likes for you guys? Nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Yo, thank you for the follows. And guys, share the live. Let's boost the algorithm on TikTok. Man, I really want to boost the algorithm on TikTok. I want to be back like with my old account, guys. Like with my old account. Those were some good old days. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone. Why here? So there are a few things I like. This lines up pretty nicely. On this extension right here, 50% also lines up decently. Yeah. Now we can give, yeah, it's working. I don't know what was the issue. But now it looks like it's working. So, yeah, good stuff, guys. Price approaching. Come on. If we take into account the unpolished zone, what is an unpolished zone? Forgive my ignorance, but what is an unpolished zone? Yo, thank you for the follow. Come on, boys. There's also lower highs. Could this be a local bottom? Guys, I don't understand what you're talking about. Sorry. There's also lower highs. Lower highs. Lower high. This is internal structure. This might be an early entry zone. By early entry, I mean below the zone. But yeah, let's monitor. It's a monitor zone, guys. It is a monitor zone. Your zones are usually polished to the extremes of it. Not really. Not really, although extreme zones are usually my favorite, yes, but not necessarily. We'll just trade extreme zones. But yeah, let's see. Price is approaching, guys. Remains a monitor zone, so be patient. And make sure you all subscribe. And everyone on YouTube, go join my TikTok, guys. You know I'm live daily for free for everyone. So is the setup in your group already? Of course it is, guys. Of course it is. Okay, press at the 50%. Let's see what's up. Yo, thank you for sharing, Velvet Pips. Appreciate you, brother. Press at the 50%. And Wi-Fi working on my phone, so that's always good. So I was saying this is a zone to enter early from the FIB levels, but I did not. So I'm gonna monitor, guys. I'm gonna monitor. Let's just monitor patiently. You see, I wanted this spike to be up until the zone, but it wasn't. So let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. Welcome, guys. Yo, appreciate all the follows. Make sure you all join the link in bio. I opened the spots earlier for free. And guys, those of you on YouTube, if you want to have less delay on the stream, go join the TikTok, guys. Go join the TikTok stream. On future chart has actually reached the zone now. Are you serious now, guys? No, it has not. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. I have the delayed gold COMEX. Oh, look, now it's... No. Let's see, boys. Let's see. The letter D is delayed. Nice. Look, every day you learn something new. It's not like I really check the futures chart, but let's see the S&P. I'm losing money on my S&P investment, guys. I'm losing money. Should be losing money. Let's see. On my S&P positions. Losing $500. I told you that my stocks dipped for 3 years. I mean, guys, I really like it's. I'm buying long term, you know. I am buying long term, so I do not mind, and I have plenty of liquidity to keep on buying if it dips, and keep on buying, and just keep on buying. Brother gold. Brother gold. I actually like the fact price has left this indecision candle right here, because we could see price take out this high, tap into the zone, then give the expected move. That would be some common behavior. So yeah, let's see, boys. Yo, thank you for the follows. Appreciate the follows, guys. Welcome everyone. By the way, make sure you also join the free channel in bio. Should I do a giveaway or something? I need to watch out with the words I say here on stream, because as you know, we don't want to get banned so quickly, you know, at least give me some time before getting banned. Yo, thank you for the follow. C1, Boombi Bullet, Poseidon. Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know. I want to know where you guys are from. Ireland, Munich, München. Nice, welcome everyone. Yo, it's amazing the community we have going on here. It is amazing the community we have going on, guys. Sweden, welcome. Welcome everyone. Lithuania, nice. Have I been to West Africa? Yeah, I've been to West Africa. I've been to Cape Verde. I was in Cape Verde once when I was a kid. I think that was the only time I ever left the continent, was to go to Cape Verde with my aunt. I was in Cape Verde with my aunt long time ago. That's East Africa, right? Cape Verde is... yeah, like northwest. Have I been to Cape Town? Yes, I've been to Cape Town. I have been to Cape Town. And come on, gold. Yo, welcome everyone, guys. Make sure you all follow. Let's grow my new account to 10k followers, guys. Easy. Easy for you guys. 10k followers is easy. Pan comido, we say in Spanish. Where am I from originally? I'm from Spain originally. I am from Spain originally. Have I checked my heritage? No. I know I am half Arab and half Nordic, for sure. I mean, my dad has black hair darker skin. My mom has rubia. How do you say? How do you say the yellow hair? Rubio. Blonde hair, blue eyes, white skin. Yo, thank you for the follow. Welcome everyone. Come on, gold. I never would have guessed Arab. I'm just making it up. I mean, just based off the looks of my parents. I'm guessing. I have no idea, guys, my heritage. I have no idea, guys, of my heritage. No idea of my heritage. Alright, looks like price is moving again. Let's see. In the meantime, guys, drop a follow and go join my free channel in bio. I opened spots earlier today, so take advantage of those if you wish. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Who's from the UK here? Who's watching from the UK? I really want to go visit, guys, UK, London or something. Nice, guys. How is it there? How do you find it? How do you find the UK? Gloomy, depressing, too hot nowadays. And I really want to go to Scotland to the Turnsbury. To the Turnsbury Golf Club. Turnsbury, like the Trump Golf Club. Alright, price approaching again. Guys, let's be patient. Let's monitor. Let's see. Do I have everything ready? Yes, I do have everything ready. Donald Trump Turnberry, yeah. Incredible golf club. And it's top 10 golf clubs in the world. And one of the top 10 most beautiful golf courses in the world. I really wanna go play there. I'm gonna ask what's the price of the green fee. I literally just saw on Sky News now that Putin is considering attacking the UK because they are helping Ukraine. No, it's very bullish for gold. Why is this not up? What is going on here? It's like not a now. We remain closed 1 hour ago. What? Hold on, boys. No, my internet is not loading. No. No. Guys, my internet on my phone. No. No. That's it. Yo, I really need to bounce from Spain, guys. I'm not sure if it's my phone or what's going on, but I really need to bounce from Spain, guys. I really need to bounce from Spain. Not connecting to the Wi-Fi, guys. Well, I'm literally on fucking 3G, but on my computer it's loading. Guys, I need to, 1 second, let me just go somewhere else in the living room so my phone connects. Okay, we are connected now. We are connected now, at least. We are connected now. 3G, yeah, I swear, because I'm at a place which is a bit secluded from humanity. Therefore, Wi-Fi here is not, well, Wi-Fi is very good. It has fiber optic, but what is the 5G connection is not good. And for some reason, in this spot where I decide to stream, on my phone, the Wi-Fi, look, I am now just 1 point, but on my computer, it's full. I think it's a thing to do with my phone. It has to be something to do with my phone. So now again 3G. Yeah, I know it has to be. Now I'm just waiting for next month to buy the new one. So yeah, price did not tap into the zone, guys, by very little. I told you this zone was an early entry zone. But well, I had no Wi-Fi when price was here, so I couldn't do anything about it. It was an early entry zone. I could feel it. You got a balcony? Yeah, I have a massive balcony here. Well, like a massive terrace, but there's a bee nest. There's a massive bee nest, so until that's not out of the way, I'm not stepping feet outside. Until that's not fixed, I'm not stepping feet outside, guys. I had everything ready. Zone on futures hit. Let's see my delayed chart. This is delayed, so. Bro, it was an early entry zone, guys. It was an early entry zone. I knew it was gonna be an early entry zone. I knew it was gonna be an early entry zone. But well, we're gonna keep on monitoring. Guys, make sure you all subscribe and follow on TikTok, because I'm trying to grow this new TikTok account back to the good old numbers, guys. We were at 250,000 followers on my old account that got banned, so let's run it up, boys. Let's run it up like the good old days. Bro, literally by 2 pips, guys. I knew It was an early entry zone. I knew it, guys. I knew it. It was an early entry zone. But still, I did not have Wi-Fi, so I could not even trigger from my phone. Nah, guys, I need to bounce. I need to bounce from Spain. Where can I go? Where can I go, guys? Come to Dubai. I'm waiting. I bought an apartment in Dubai. I'm waiting for the renovation to be done. Then I will go straight back to Dubai. Then we go straight back to Dubai. Like, guys, I'm literally trying to send the messages and I can't with this phone. I really don't understand, guys, why the phone. Like, I have full power on my PC, Wi-Fi, and on my phone it doesn't connect, man. And I knew this was an early entry zone. Son of a gun, gold. I knew it was an early entry zone, guys. Guys, I want to show you. You guys want to see my new interior? Let me know. Rate the interior of my new apartment. Let's see if it loads. Bro, I knew it was an early entry on this zone. I knew it was an early entry on this zone. Fuck. Look, guys, this is how my new apartment going to look. Let me know if you would change something. This is the entrance. I'm exposing all of my new apartment. This will be the entrance. Dining room. Living room. Kitchen. All Italian marble or whatever. My bedroom. Bathroom. Which bathroom I'm not gonna do yet, guys, because bathroom takes too long. Bathroom takes too long, unfortunately. And then office. So here is the thing. All of this view is downtown Dubai. I literally get all of the skyline view. I get all of the skyline view here, but I'm gonna do it like this. So I sit down looking at the view and you guys will see a boring wall. But here, for the background of the office, I'm gonna make it much cooler, actually. Guys, I knew it was an early entry. I knew it was an early entry, guys, on this zone. I knew it was an early entry. I was saying it. And I could not trigger, guys. I could not execute because my phone wasn't loading. Looks like it's in JLT. It's in downtown. It's in downtown. But for the office, for the background, I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna show you. This is going to be the background of where I'm gonna be sitting at. And you guys want to see how the apartment looks right now? You guys want to see how the apartment looks right now? This is how the apartment looks right now. Of course I had to leave, guys. I'm not gonna be living in. But look, the view, guys, like you cannot, this is the Burj Khalifa. The view is insane, guys. It's 55th floor. So this is the before pictures. and how it's gonna fit, how it's gonna look. The kitchen, the fridge will be built in. Will be built in. So yeah, that's the apartment, man. I really wanted to share it with you guys. I really wanted to share it with you guys. How long will it take, the renovation? I hope 30 days starting today. But I'm gonna be going back to Dubai and I'm gonna be showing up every day in the apartment and I will be like, yo, go faster, brother. And I will be checking, making sure everything is done correctly. So guys, if anyone lives in Dubai, wants to have me staying at their place for 30 days, you will be able to drive an A12 super fast as your daily. But you have to welcome me at your place. Until renovation is done. Or I'm thinking of actually just staying at a hotel, you know, like a very nice resort hotel, and just working from there. But then if I stay at a hotel, let's see. A 30-night stay, the rent starts at $16,000. I would say, guys, $16,000 on top of the $85,000 of the renovation, on top of the 1.2 million I've just spent on the apartment, guys. I'm gonna go crazy. Come to Maldives until you finish your apartment. No, guys, you don't understand. I just wanna work, you know? Looks great. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Okay, I am not going to be trading this monitor zone. If price comes now to the zone, I won't be trading it. We missed what I believe to be the ideal move. Here would have been a nice 1, 2, 3 first TP. So for now, I am not gonna be trading this first monitor zone. I'm gonna be waiting for the zones above. I heard hotels give, yeah, I have to call. Have to call the hotel and be like, yo, I want to stay here so many nights, do me a special price. Nice. Some people took the early entry with 12 lots. Crazy. So yeah, let's see. It was a good zone nonetheless. Early entry on Forex, but perfect zone on futures. Yeah, don't look, guys. I'm actually now considering moving to futures, because how many times you guys come to me and are like, yo, the zone tapped in perfectly in futures, and I miss it because I'm waiting for the fucking CFD chart to get there. Oh yeah, let's see, boys. I requested to join your group, guys. Look, I would love to accept you guys, but my phone is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, guys, and this is a big problem. I really need to leave this place now. I can borrow you my apartment in Slovenia. It's not loading, guys. It's not loading. Wi-Fi on my phone for some reason not loading. By the way, I appreciate all of the new followers. Am I at my parents' home? No, I'm not at my parents' home, guys. You should recognize my mother's apartment if you saw it. Those of you that have been with me for a few years, you should easily recognize my mother's apartment just by me streaming at it. Alright, price approaching, guys. I really need to find another spot in this apartment where in this home where the Wi-Fi connects, guys, because literally I'm with 3G. So I'm gonna go there to connect to the Wi-Fi and come right back. Something wrong with this phone. Okay, we are connected now. Let's see how long it lasts. I don't know, guys. There's some weird stuff going on with my phone. But still, appreciate everyone following, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome all of the new traders. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Welcome, guys. How long have I been trading? I've been trading since 2018. My first live account was 2019. Custodial account under my father's name. I still have the email of my first ever deposit. Guys, as I said, I'm not trading this zone for now. I am not trading it as we missed this first move, so I am not going to be trading it. This would have been my ideal entry. We missed it, so not trading it for now, this monitor zone. Not trading it for now. Alright, price reacting. Let's see. It's risky to give it a shot, guys. It is risky to give it a shot for now, because we missed this first move by a few pips. So yeah, for now, just monitoring for now. My first deposit, I remember that deposit was a 500 euro deposit. I remember perfectly, vividly. I remember vividly. Vividly, boys. Vividly. I said I'm not trading this zone because we missed this first move, but we are waiting on the next zone, guys. We are waiting on the next zone, boys. You never lost? Yeah, of course I lost them. I don't know what I did with them, but for sure I lost them. Well, it was my first ever deposit. What do you expect? It was my first ever deposit with my first ever deposit being a 17-year-old that thought knew everything. So guys, of course, market had to teach me a lesson. Now guys, we are not selling here. We missed the move here. We missed the move, so I'm waiting on my next zone, which is this one above, and then I have the main zone, which is obviously this one right here. I would like to trade gold until this low. Might be wrong. Price might just be bullish today all day, but if you were to ask me, I would like to trade gold to this zone over here, to this level. How many accounts have I blown? I don't know. A few for sure. Like quite a few for sure. But I don't know, it's not like I remember. And guys, make sure you all subscribe. Go join my free group in bio, and everyone on YouTube, guys, go join TikTok, because we are on the mission to growing a new TikTok account. We are on a mission to grow a new TikTok account, because my last one got banned. So we want to run this account up to, I don't know, at least 10,000 followers soon, guys. You go sell. I have not sold yet. I'm not gonna be selling on this zone, guys, because we missed the first move. So I'm not gonna be selling here, because I missed the move I wanted to trade, which was this one. Missed it, so for now waiting on my next zones, guys. You know, actually I can just remove this now to avoid confusion. And as well, this next zone is also a monitor zone, guys. It's not zones I'm in love with. It's zones that we might see some reaction, we might not, but it's not a zone I'm in love with. That's why it's monitor zone. That's why it's not certain I'm gonna be trading it. So yeah. Careful showing numbers. Yeah, I try to be careful, but I think TikTok now has become much more flexible with live trading and whatnot. It looks like it, because back in the day when I used to stream on TikTok, and well, I used to be the biggest one, we always had problems, guys. Remember, always accounts getting taken down, always and restricted lives. Always some bullshit going on. Yo, thank you for the follow. And guys, make sure you join the free group in bio. Remember the time there was only screen and voice? Those are some good old memories, guys. Good old memories. Yo, thank you for the gifts. Yo, you can now gift. It's true. Apparently I was suspended from gifts for a while. Now looks like gifts are again a thing on my stream. Yo, thank you for the follow. Yes, apparently I think the restriction has been lifted. Looks like restriction for the gifts has been lifted. So good stuff, guys. Now we just need to get to 10k followers on the account. Any idea on how to trade gold in Binance? No, unfortunately I can't help you out. There is now, right? Gold USDT. I think there is a listing on some exchanges. Yeah, you can trade. You even can trade perps. Watch out, guys. Watch out, boys. Would I ever grow a beard? It doesn't grow. Alright, price approaching this lower monitor zone. As I said earlier, if we enter, all zones will be enter, protect fast, all of the monitor zones especially. But I'm gonna be careful with this zone, okay guys? With the lower one. It's like your new price would sweep your zone. I mean, I've been doing this for a very long time. You start to get a feeling as to what price is gonna do. You start to get a feeling. Gold crypto gives a week $30 lower than CFD, not tradable. Never traded gold. I mean, the price should be the same as CFDs or very similar. Obviously not the same as CFD, but should be very similar. Because if USDT is paired, if USDT is pegged to USD and gold XAU, the index of gold is the index of gold for everyone, prices should be the same. Oh yeah. I could put the link. I think TikTok doesn't like if I share the link on Telegram. I think they don't like if I share the link to the stream on Telegram. I can try, let's see if they restrict me. I'm gonna try. We might mess it up now completely. Let's hope not. Let's hope we do not. Let's hope we do not. If not trader, what would you be? If I wasn't a trader, what would I be? I don't know. Something for sure. Not average for sure. In whatever I would do, I would not be average for sure. I would be a cowboy, yeah. I would be a cowboy. Come on, gold. Welcome everyone. Guys, make sure you all subscribe. Go join my free group in bio. Go join the Telegram in bio. I opened 10 spots earlier. So yeah, let's see, boys. Come on, gold. What do you think about the Race FX broker? I have no idea. I've seen it. I've seen it especially from French affiliates. But no opinion. No opinion because I've never used it, so I don't know who's behind it, so I have no idea. Usually all of the brokers I know, all of the brokers I work with, I know the top ranks in the broker itself. I go to their office, I build relationship. So Star Trader, VT Markets are brokers I have a solid opinion on. I mean, I know the CEO of VT Markets. I've been many times to the office from VT Markets and Star Trader in Dubai, building relationship and so on. So yeah, that's what's up. Yo, thank you everyone for the follows. Come on, gold. Why you don't like that yellow hair guy? What? Is Victor Victor friend of yours? I mean, I've never met up with him. We spoke a few times, but no, I wouldn't say we are like friends, but good vibes. I mean, we've never met, but we've spoken a few times. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. waiting on the zone. My skin looks clear. Yeah, well, these days it's very bad for some reason. My skin worse than ever. But yeah, now it's much better, guys. If you remember a few years ago, my face was always fucked up, like with acne. You know, I'm not even sure if you call it acne in English, but well, with spots, all full of spots. All full of spots. So. Come on, gold. Guys, make sure you all drop a follow on TikTok. Am I in Dubai? No, I'm not in Dubai right now. I am not in Dubai. I wanna go back, but I am waiting on my apartment to be renovated, guys. Na 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 na. Futures, guys, do not talk to me about futures, really. Really. I do not wanna be hearing about futures because it makes me angry, boys. I mean, it makes me angry. And yeah, let's see, boys. Is Spain still full of migrants? Spain is done, guys. Europe in general is done. Gone. Completely gone, guys. Completely gone. By the way, guys, 3 spots have been taken. And yeah, let's see. Come on, I've been 2 hours live. Come on, boys. Na 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 na. Come on, gold. Need a little push so I can close my buy loss. Where are you guys buying from? You know what's funny? Because you guys will hold a buy, 300 pips in drawdown, and be fine with it. Then I will share a trade that hits a 28 pip stop loss, and you guys will be jumping on me. Yeah, 3 zones, I think fall will be inevitable. We will see. Maybe I am totally wrong with my bias, which could happen. Come on, come on. Guys, I'm waiting on the zone. I am waiting on the zone, boys. Make sure you all subscribe and go join my free group in bio. While we wait on the setup. Yo, guys, we need to get 23 more followers, guys, and I will unlock something from TikTok. I will unlock some points. If we get 23 more followers in this live, I will unlock some stuff. Man, TikTok has changed, guys. Guys, run it up. Yes, sir. We need to run it up on TikTok, guys. I really want to grow. I really want to be back like the good old days, guys, on TikTok, man. I used to be massive. Now I see fucking Malaysian guys with like 20,000 viewers, 12,000 viewers at once. I'm like, fuck, that's crazy. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna leave you here, and as soon as price approaches, I might be back live, okay, guys? So yeah, make sure you all follow, join my free group in bio, and see you all in the community for now. Bye bye, guys. It's unfortunate waiting all morning, but for now no trade, so let's wait and yeah, be patient, boys. Thank you all for joining. Make sure you all follow, join the free group in bio, and yeah, see you all in community, guys. Bye bye.